Hello friends, this question is from the test series number 1. Separating network theory. Topic name is RLC circuit. It's a 2 marks problem. Question says, that's a very interesting problem. Question says that find the value of C for which the voltage series source voltage Vs and source current Is are in phase. So it's Is. So we need to find, it is Is basically, we need to find the value of C such that my voltage and currents are in phase, right? So the voltage Vs signal is given as cos 2t, so the phase is 0, frequency is 2, so I can say that if I will write the magnitude and phase, it has the magnitude 1 and phase 0, right? So I also want current Is, which must have some magnitude Im, but the phase of the current should be 0, because my criteria is that, my requirement is that my Vs and Is are in phase. So this I want the signals like that. And what will be my Is? My Is is going to have a 2 component, one across capacitor IC and one across inductor and resistor combination. So my Is is basically a sum of IC plus IL, and voltage Vs is common in both the 2 branches. So we can calculate IL because we know the value of inductor, resistor. So current is voltage difference upon resistor. So voltage difference is Vs cos omega t. So we'll take a magnitude and angle because we are just more interested in phase. 1 into 0 upon, let's take the impedance. Impedance is how much? Impedance is R plus omega L. So R is 4 plus J omega L. Omega is 2, cos 2t 2, so 2 into 2, so it will be 1 by 4 plus 4j. So just take the 4 common and multiply with 1 minus j upon 1 minus j. You will get the expression as 1 by 8 minus j by 8. This is my IL. Okay. Again, now this calculate the capacitor current IC. So across IC also we have, across capacitor also we have the same voltage. So same voltage, and the impedance is 1 by j omega c. So it's 1 upon omega is 2 c, j times 2 c. So you will have j 2 c. That is your IC. So my source current will be 1 by 8 minus j by 8 plus j 2 c. So basically you will have source current as j times 2c minus 1 by 8. Okay, this is your Is. And what is the phase of source? The phase is what? Phase is defined as theta is, phase difference theta is defined as tan inverse of y of x. If you have a polynomial as x plus jy, so your phase is defined as tan inverse y by x. So basically, if you want theta is equal to 0, what you should do? You should make y 0. If you want 0 phase difference, because you don't want any phase difference between voltage and current, and the voltage has a phase of 0, so basically you want the phase of current should also be 0. So you want theta 0. So if you want theta 0, equate the y 0, because tan 0 is 0, so tan inverse 0 will be 0. Okay, so I want my 2c minus 1 by 8 is 0, so my c will become 1 by 16, which is 0.0625 farad. So value of capacitor must be 0.0625 farad. Okay, so it's a very simple problem of resonance, okay, or in AC analysis. Okay, thank you.